Alrighty, today we're gonna go over how to draw cat eyes. Really cool depiction of eyes of a cat. Really simple one, but there's a lot of payoff in it too. So there's a lot of stuff to learn just from doing these simple designs. But very simple. Let's jump right in. If you're a beginner, this is the one to start with because it's just cat eyes. And if you're a cat fan, if you like cats, really good stuff. Okay, let's jump right in. All right, let's get started on these cat eyes. Whew. All right, let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do on this side is I'm gonna make a curve downward like so. All right, because they're gonna be angled at an axis. Like axis meaning if you were to draw like a line from the front point and the back point, it's not gonna be like this, it's gonna be like this, right? Gonna curve over just a bit. Gonna go on this side. Try to pull an almost identical curve if I can. Down over here. I'm gonna curve it inward to have this eye as well. Okay. Same thing over here. Curve it in. Good stuff. They don't have to be the exact same size. It's not a big deal. Just kind of keep it relatively similar-ish. I can tell this one's a little bit more closed than that one. It doesn't matter. If you have cats, say hi. Say hi to me in the comment section. I have a cat. I have 2 cats outside. And I have an inside dog. Curve over here. Pulling in right there for kind of the roundness of that area. I'm gonna fill this out. I'm sorry, I have a lingering cough. If you haven't heard in the other videos, I just got over being sick, and I'm not sick anymore for the most part, but like, I have this lingering like cough I just can't get rid of. It's funny. So everybody thinks I'm really sick, so they try to stay away from me. So I don't blame them. I don't blame them. I'm trying not to cough near anybody. Curving off that corner right there as well. Just trying to find the roundness of the cat eye. That's kind of mostly what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna pull a line a little bit out there even more because I really want to sharpen up this side. Same thing over here, extend that a little bit. All right, you really want to get this shape very careful. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. If you really enjoy this kind of stuff, you enjoy drawing lessons like this, really chill, kickback ones that are only but like 8 minutes or something, hit that subscribe. Okay, let's go over here. And the bell notification too, by the way, or else it won't even tell you. Go over here. So he's got like these small pupils, these cat eyes right there. And only small cats have these. Big cats don't have this. I think these are only, the way this evolved, it's only small animals that have eyes like this. They look cool though, that's why they add them like on dinosaurs and stuff. But they most likely didn't have that. It has to do with your vision. You're able to look up more easily. If it's like thinned out like that, you can look up. And I'm gonna close off a lot of this. Whew. And that's pretty much it. Really simple stuff. But the thing is about this is you want to be a little bit more precise when it's just one feature like that. Meaning like you want to, try to even it out as much as you can, but it's really up to you. If you want to throw out a little bit of curve right here for the inner eye right there, you can do that as well. Let's jump into the color really fast. It's gonna be literally one color, so let's do it, okay? Before I do that, hit the like button. And also don't forget to check out the Gumroad. There's a lot of free resources on that Gumroad. Thank you so much. Let's jump into color. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.